Why does love find you when you stop looking? Ever noticed how love appears when you least expect it? Discover why focusing on yourself, not searching for love, is the secret to attracting the right partner effortlessly. Love is often portrayed as something we must chase, prize to be won, a puzzle to solve, or a destination to reach after relentless effort. Yet, the most profound truth about love is that it finds you when you stop desperately searching for it and instead focus on becoming the best version of yourself. The paradox of seeking love. Many people spend years obsessing over finding love, believing that their happiness depends on securing the right partner. They swipe endlessly on dating apps, force connections, or settle for relationships that don't fulfill them all because they fear being alone. But love doesn't flourish in desperation. It thrives in authenticity. When you are constantly searching, you emit an energy of lack, an invisible signal that repels the very thing you desire. Love, in its purest form, is drawn to those who are whole on their own, not those who seek completion from another. Love finds you when you focus on yourself. The moment you shift your focus from finding love to cultivating self-love, something magical happens. You begin radiating confidence, peace, and contentment, qualities that naturally attract the right people. Here's why. You become magnetic. Confidence and self-assuredness are irresistible. When you invest in your passions, growth, and well-being, you stop needing love to validate you. Instead, you invite love as a complement to your already fulfilling life. You stop settling. When you love yourself, you no longer tolerate half-hearted relationships. You recognize your worth and refuse to entertain people who don't align with your values. This discernment leads you to healthier, more meaningful connections. You attract the right energy, like attracts like. If you're secure, joyful, and emotionally balanced, you'll naturally draw people who match that energy. Love finds you when you're vibrating at the frequency of happiness and self-acceptance. The art of letting love come to you. Instead of chasing love, practice these principles to allow it to flow into your life effortlessly. Be fully present. Enjoy your life as it is now, without obsessing over what's missing. Follow your joy. Engage in activities that light you up. Love often appears when you least expect it. Release control. Trust that the right person will arrive at the right time. Work on your inner world. Heal past wounds, build self-worth, and become someone you truly love. The unexpected moment love arrives. Some of the greatest love stories begin when people aren't looking. It happens in the middle of a hobby, a career milestone, or a simple moment of self-discovery. Love doesn't announce itself with grand gestures. It often slips in quietly when you're too busy living a life you love to notice. So, stop searching. Start becoming. Love isn't something you find. It's something that finds you when you're finally ready.